I want to just drop in today to let you know my experience with business so far and my take on the three most intuitive sales funnels for new businesses. All right. Um, so my take on the top three, from my perspective, are not gonna apply if you're doing dropshipping, Shopify. It's mainly for info products and that kind of thing where you're gonna offer value to someone, and it's in the form of authentically from you to them. It's not like a physical product, that kind of thing, right? So my top three are gonna have to be one, lead magnet to email list. Of course, it's the most simple, most intuitive, very easy, right? You just make a page. It could be WordPress, ClickFunnels, whatever. You make a lead capture page, right? And you put your lead magnet on there, and you just have to give it a little bit of marketing, not too much, not too heavy because it's free, right? And you give it away free and drive traffic to the page, whether it's from Instagram, from Facebook, if you buy ads, whatever. It all works. Just get traffic to that page and let them take the lead magnet, right? And from then, they'll opt into your email list and they'll be a part of it, right? That is, in my opinion, one of the best for beginners because it's easy to understand, it's easy to gain from, it's easy to scale up. You can always, if you have money, you can always spend more on ads and get more traffic, whatnot. If you don't have money, you can get it from going to forums, recruiting people, going on Quora, answering questions, that kind of thing. Second way, I would recommend you get traffic. I mean, not traffic. The second sales funnel is an SLO, a self-liquidating offer. What that means is it's when you really just sell a product really cheaply, like say $5, $7, $10. It's like a tripwire, right? And then when they buy that, if they buy that, right? If they buy that, you can also upsell them. So it kind of pays for itself in ads, right? It's useful because after they opt in for the lead magnet, you can drop a one-time offer and discount your main product by a lot, and then they'll buy that, and then you can catch those who really want to buy. You can upsell them in the moment, right? The third type I recommend is an ask campaign, a question campaign. It's basically when you make a site, you have like one paragraph on the page, and you basically ask the person what's their number one concern or issue on this topic, and you put it there. The thing is, you can hook this up into anything you want, right? The most popular way to do it is you hook it up into your Facebook. So when they drop the question, you record their email and their question, right? And you give them a link on the bottom so they can, join the Facebook group or whatever. You link it to a Facebook group. That way they can join. And then from there, you use all those questions to make a webinar or a product or whatever. Webinar most likely, right? Or you can even do it in Facebook Live. And when you do that, you can link that into an offer so that people see, okay, they answer my question, maybe they're genuine, I'll buy from them, and then they'll buy from you. But if you're gonna do this, do it, by giving real value, right? I'm not gonna lie, I've had people refund my products already. It hurts, but it's okay. Maybe because they already knew what I taught via emails or beforehand or whatever happened. It's fine. It's okay. People refund you. It's okay, right? If they ask for the refund, give it back. Just be a good person. They'll thank you for it, and who knows, you actually won't lose the business. They'll come back to you in the future, and that will always help you out. So those are my three main types: lead magnet into email list, SLO, which means low price front end, into upsells, one time offer possibly after initial sign up. And then you have the question campaign. Question campaign, where it's question campaign into Facebook group, into webinar, into offer. The thing about that last one is you can use that for a lot of bigger ticket items later on. You can use the same webinar in a webinar funnel, a little more advanced one, but it's a very profitable one. And run the webinar like every 2 or 3 days, or every day even. And you can just use that as like a live sales letter to a $5,000, $8,000 product, $800 or $1,000 product, in the future, right? So that's a way you can do it too. It's useful. Actually, I think I'll be doing that one soon too. So there you have it. My 3 top sales funnels for new businesses. Use them if you want. If you need help, ask me. I'll help you out. I've done it myself. So check them out. All right. Talk to you later. Peace.